Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means you should not depend entirely on one plan, person, or thing because if it fails, you might lose everything. Instead, spread your efforts or resources to reduce risks. Mia wanted to become a famous singer, but her mom said, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket, keep studying too. If you only save your money in one place, you might lose it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Jake applied to several colleges because he knew not to put all his eggs in one basket. Dad told me to try different sports instead of just soccer, so I don't put all my eggs in one basket. When Sarah invested her money, she bought shares in 3 companies instead of one. Her friend said, "Good idea, don't put all your eggs in one basket."